So, still, whoa, yeah, it's still raining, but you can see that you can't really see on here how fast the clouds are moving, but they are booking. But you can see the sky up there, so they're moving out. Maybe if I hold it steady up against like this, you can. Yeah, you can kind of see how fast those clouds are moving. It's hard to see on video, but in person, they are moving. They are seriously booking. And it's definitely raining. You can see it in the light there. So, this is pretty much the end of it for, I think, for Delta. I don't know. It should be. So, there's the clouds moving out and such. Here's everything else. Okay, good. There's no flooding up there on that one. There's water on the lens. Hang on. There we go. Now we can see. All right. That's windy still. Oh, there we go. Lost focus again. It's windy still. And we lost focus again. The wind's blowing the rain onto my lens of all things. There we go. We got focus back. Now the tree's blowing and the sky's up there. And I gotta go do stuff.